Alright, so, they've been growing for a while, and I have put them in with Sprig a little bit. I don't think he's very good for this experiment, simply because he just likes to kind of nibble the tops of things. He doesn't actually, like, eat it all the way down to the wire. Now, I kind of showed you some pictures of how I built it. So, it's doing really well. Some of the seeds that I put in there grew, even though I didn't think that they would. I think he likes it. The only problem is since I can't really cover it, he likes to chew on it. And so, he chews on the plastic, and that's not really what I want him to do. So this isn't like super great or anything. The other thing is I think I have the dirt a little too high. So everything's just a little bit too close to the wire. And I don't think I put a thick enough layer of seeds, because as you can see, it's not really like a carpet of greens. That's just kind of sparse and stuff. So I think what I want to do is get rid of some of the dirt that's in there. So it's a little lower down, like instead of like right here, probably like to here or something. It doesn't really need that much dirt. And then I can put a thicker layer of seeds, which should make a thicker carpet of greens. And that way it shouldn't be right here next to the wire, which means they can't just poke their nose down here and eat it down to the roots. Which is not what I want, because what I want this to be is that you replace it every day. You put it in, they eat it down to the wire, and then you take this one out and you put a new one in or replace it while this one recovers. And every once in a while you sprinkle a little bit more seed in there. And I think I made this. This is too tall. This was just kind of an experiment to see how well it would work. I can say I'm not very good at it. I think that's some... I don't remember what all I sprinkled in there. It's just random. I have some beans that were going. Anyways. So yeah, that's the idea. I don't think these pots are quite what I want, because I want something that I can put in and then put wire over, instead of putting wire in like this, but put wire over. Over the whole thing. That way they can't nibble on the plastic or the container or anything, but they can still get to the grass that pokes up through. So this experiment has given me some stuff to think about. I've got to find new pots. I just got these. They were $1 at Dollar General, so I just got them to do a little experimenting with. This might work well for like chickens and stuff, because they're not really going to bother with this. They're just going to peck and eat at this. So that might work well for them. For now, I need to get ones that are probably shorter and wider, and I can do that with. So, that's what I'll be looking for. I might maybe take these out to the chickens and see if they like them.